What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video. And yes, this is not deja vu. This is the Google Pixel Slate back in the building again. As you guys know, I had this a little while ago. I got rid of it. Got a sweet deal going on right now. I don't know if you call it Black Friday deal or just a deal, but Google is offering this device for $350 off. You also get the Google Pixel Slate keyboard and the Pixelbook pen for free. So each model of this, now I picked up the Core M3, the 64 gigabytes of storage again. I got it for $449. Original price on this is $799, $350 savings. As you can see, 2 free items. That's the keyboard and the pen. If you get the i5 version, which has 128 gigabytes of storage, as you can see, regular $999, you get that for $649. You also get the keyboard and the pen. And if you get the i7, which has 250 gigabytes of storage, you get that for $350 off, and the pen. Now, this is at Best Buy. Only difference is if you buy this from Google, they give you the choice of a bridge keyboard or this keyboard right here. I'll leave a link in the description for all of that. But here's what you get. You get the Google Pixelbook pen for free, and you get this for free as well. That is the Pixelbook is the Core M3, 64 gigabytes for storage. And I didn't have a problem really with the device before. Mainly, I don't like a tablet that you have to add a keyboard case to it. But at $450, I had to pick it up again. So let's get this stuff unboxed and then I'll come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back in. That was just a little quick unboxing. I do have a unboxing video of this that I will link below if you'd like to check it out. But a quick go around over here at my left, you got the fingerprint sensor, power button, 2 microphones on the top. This side, you got your Type-C charging port right there. On the bottom, you got your pogo pins. And on this side, you got another Type-C charging port and your volume up and down. And then on the back of it here, for some reason this came powered up already. Do have the G logo there. This is kind of a fingerprint magnet as well. And then on the front you got your 12.3 inch display. And I'm trying to get the brightness up on this a little bit here. All right, there we are. And you got your front-facing camera there as well. A little bit of size comparison between my iPad Pro that I just picked up. I absolutely love this thing. You can see the iPad Pro is a little bit wider. This is a little bit longer, the Pixel Slate. And as far as thickness, they're about the same thickness. I think the iPad may be a little bit thinner, but they're the two together. I know this is not getting a good shot of it. I will compare these two in a future video, but iPad is a beast, man. All right, so here's the tablet. Here's the pen. Now, before I didn't have the pen when I had this, so this is going to be a nice pickup with the pen here, if I can get it to focus. Being finicky, I don't want to focus. But the color pretty much matches the devices here. And here's the keyboard. Now this keyboard is very nice. It has the round keys. Doesn't have any ports anything, because it works off of the ports here on the Google Slate. Do have the G logo there, and this is kind of a soft material here, and very thin, man. But the keyboard is backlit. I'm going to go ahead and hook this keyboard up. So simple as that. You guys can hear that magnet. And I'm going to set it just like that. And I'm going to do a follow-up on this after having it this time. And here's the pen. And as soon as you touch the device, these are your stylus tools. That's what it says. So it automatically connects like that. The thing I didn't like when I had my original Pixel book, there was nowhere besides a little thing you could buy to connect the pen. So, and also when you close this up, just move that forward like so. And this is the package here. So problem I had before was just kind of wobble and wiggle and stuff. But I'm going to get me a good screen protector this time. And we're going to take care of it like that. So, all right, guys, just a quick little deal alert on this, really. I'll follow up with a different video, some more what I think about it this time. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.